List 9, life, light, and love. This is the the video that's going to go over your words that have the root bio. Just a reminder, bio is the Greek root. It means life. And so your words are biology, biodegradable, biography, bionic, biosphere, biological, and biopsy. So, biology is a science that deals with things that are alive, such as plants and animals, or the study of life. So, when I think of biology, when you get to high school, you will study the plants and animals, things that are alive, and that will be in biology class. Biodegradable is capable of being slowly destroyed and broken down into very small parts by natural processes, bacteria, etc. So I think about this: if I took a tissue and it was outside in the weather and the rain, it is biodegradable. It is capable of being slowly destroyed and broken down into very small parts by a natural process, which would be the weather or bacteria. Biography is the story of a real person's life written by someone other than that person. So I think one of our spelling words earlier was autobiography. That was someone that wrote their own story of their life. A biography is written by someone else about someone's life. Bionic means having artificial body parts, especially electromechanical ones. So if I had an electromechanical or an arm that would move kind of on its own, that would be a bionic arm. It would be a artificial body part. Think of like a robotic arm on my body. That would be bionic. Biosphere is the regions of the surface, atmosphere, and hydrosphere of the earth occupied by living organisms. So anything that lives in and around the earth lives in the biosphere. Biological means that you are genetically related or related by blood. So I think of this related to adoptive and biological children. So if I had my own child, that would be a biological child. If I adopted a child, that would be an adopted child. So biological means that you're related by blood. You have the same genetics. And if you adopt someone, if I would adopt a child, they would not be my biological child. Biopsy is an examination of tissue removed from a living body to discover the presence, cause, or extent of a disease. So if they find, let's just say they find a tumor or something, they would do a biopsy. They would remove part of it, of the tissue, and they would send it to a lab and examine it to see if there's any disease or anything in it. So on your homework, you need to choose 3 of the words. I'll flip back to that list. And you are going to write how they relate to the root bio, which means life. So write 3 words and then how they relate to life.